Hey, I'm Sean from Hope 3 Labs. Today I'm here to talk to you about what you're really buying when you invest in crypto. This is the first of 11 videos in our Introduction to Crypto series. Each one will dive a little deeper into what this technology is all about to help you become a smarter investor or a builder if you want to get involved. So, if you were around in the 90s, you remember the internet was a really different place. It was wide open, chaotic, ugly, creative, but it was way more decentralized than it is now. Back then, a guy like me could stand up a server in his basement and actually be a part of the web. Today, a handful of massive cloud companies control almost everything: our data, our identities, and most of what we see online. Web3, or what's coming next, is more like the original internet, but rebuilt with 30 years of new tech and new style behind it. And that tech that powers it, that's crypto. Crypto is not just investment charts, hype, or digital money. It gives us the tools to rebuild the internet in a better way. For example, instead of storing your files on some big company's cloud, you can store them across a decentralized network powered by crypto. It's cheaper, it's more secure, and you control your own data. So instead of remembering a million usernames and passwords, you'll have a digital ID token that you control right from your phone. And instead of logging into everything through Google or Apple, you'll own your own access. You decide what gets shared and with who. I know it sounds futuristic, but really it's just a new way to do the things that we already do. Store stuff, log in, and pay for things. Only this time you're in control. And let's be honest, most of us don't really know where our data goes when we use the cloud. I don't, not really. But with crypto, it's different. It's built on transparent digital ledgers, open systems that anybody can inspect, but only you can access with your keys. That might sound technical, but it's really just about privacy and trust finally being built into the web. So what are you really investing in? When you invest in crypto today, you're not just hoping a number goes up. It's more like getting in early on Amazon and Google and Facebook before they became giants. But here's the difference. You're not just buying a stock and hoping a company makes the right decision. You're buying the actual tokens, the digital fuel that the next version of the internet will need to work. If you're a builder or a programmer, you're not just watching the next wave happen. You can help create it. A whole new world of opportunity is opening up. Let me give you an example. If one of these crypto networks ends up powering real world stuff, like storing your photos, logging into your bank, or sending payments online, then the tokens you hold today should become more valuable as that demand grows or goes up. That's not magical internet money. That's just infrastructure investing before it becomes obvious. And yeah, we're still early, but we see that as the opportunity. It gives us time to watch which projects are solving real problems and which ones are just noise. But just like the early internet, not everything made it, but a few became Amazon and Google. Same thing here. Not every crypto project will survive, and that's okay. That's why it helps to learn what these tools actually do. At Hope 3 Labs, we're already building real tools using crypto, and we're not the only ones. If you're curious how all this works, check out our intro video, Crypto for the Curious, or dive into one of our shorter episodes. In the next video, we'll walk you through how wallets actually work, how to store your crypto safely, and what a seed phrase really is, and how to take full control without relying on anyone else. The future is being built. We're here to make it all make sense.